guys, welcome back to another video.
I'm making poop emoji.
Yeah, we're gonna be making a poop emoji. So just
I'm making a big poop
pretty much
emoji.
make a giant snake and then
Wait, look, I'm gay. Hot dog.
a hot dog. What, does this look like a hot dog? It does. It looks just like a hot dog.
Yeah, Jeffrey, this is like the hot dog.
Yeah. Which always give Jeffy a thumbs down. Because he is so bad. Which we're not going to be watching him anymore. Because you don't do that.
Yeah, and we can't watch and Jeffrey do.
Nope.
Yep.
Cannot.
Yeah. I'm making a big fat.
And that's how you make the poop emoji.
I'm making a fat emoji.
Poop emoji. He's so cute. So you have to roll it and then like do a couple lines.
But I got rolled it.
A couple things. Then what? Roll it. Make a bottom. How the bottom's like this. You put it from the bottom all the way around here, all the way around, and then up around here, and then turn
that was
it up.
Minecraft, bro. My muscles.
And then right here. Dun dun.
Hey,
there you got the poop emoji.
Poop emoji.
I'm gonna make him a smiley face. So yeah.
Make him real.
I cannot do that. I wish I could.
Yeah.
Make him a smiley face.
I wish we make a cat. I make a cat.
And there's the poop emoji.
I'm making a cat. Look it. Look it. Let's look it.
What? I look like a cow. Yeah, I'm a poop emoji. Yeah, I'm a poop emoji. Yeah, I'm a poop emoji. Yeah. I stinky.
Hey, look! I made a hand.
A hand? Okay, look. This is a hand. Ready? Oh, you did make a hand.
Got you. Wait. Okay, guys. You don't grab the roll pan.
No. Oh yeah, I need that. Wait, ready? I want to roll down poop emoji. Whoa! No.
It's
I'm
hard.
not gonna roll. Roll a poop emoji. Roll a poop emoji. Roll a poop emoji.
Hey, why keep my seat?
I didn't. I'm gonna make a hot dog. Brody, make a hot dog thing, and then I can make the hot dog bun.
Okay. Make a snake minute.
I'm making the hot dog bun.
I make a hot top pink.
Yeah, good. Now we can put the hot dog in. Look at this. We have a hot dog. Ready? Guys, I'm gonna eat it. I ate a hot dog of Play-Doh. Nasty. God.
Hey guys, is that funny?
Yeah. Okay. And now
this.
Yeah. Oh wait, come on, split it. Because we missed.
Can I have it filming?
Yeah.
No, get out of here, Paul.
Sorry, guys. Sorry, I just don't want our brother to be in. Cause
wait.
He never lets me in his WWE. Once only lets me film and talk. Never shows me.
Let me look into it. I put the peas.
The peas?
Yeah.
Got peas?
And fish.
And fish. Peas and fish, that sounds good.
Yeah,
peas and
fish.
salmon.
That's pea and shit.
Peas. I want to make peas. No, peas and fish.
Pea and fish. Pea and fish.
Oh, I'm gonna make a ball.
Beep.
I'm gonna make a snake. But this is my skin from Slither.io. I only have this skin. I love it. I only like this skin in Slither.io on my grandma's. This skin. Oh, I'm gonna make
poop emoji.
I'm gonna make a fish. I'm gonna make a minnow, like a guppy, pretty much.
Look at me.
Actually, I'm gonna make.
I make a baby snake. And I make a cute snakes.
I made a fish I just made up. A crocodile fish. Ready? I'm gonna make it
This
size.
is what I made. Beep, 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 beep. Come here. Beep, beep, come here. Beep, 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 come here.
This is my fish I just made. Crocodile fish. This is a crocodile fish I made.
Okay, guys, we need to use these and I can.
Yeah.
What I did.
Look at this. We got this Hot Wheel. So cool. Okay. I think that's gonna actually be.
Woo!
Wow. Yeah, this is so fun. This crocodile fish should be lit like this. I got this toy knife. Bam, bam. Whoa! Now you're a fish on a stick.
Wait, guys, I need getting thumbs up.
Get a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
Yeah. Goodbye.